What's happening, traders? I hope you are well. This is just a quick market update just to let you know what has been happening because it has been absolute carnage since market open around 10 o'clock Sunday evening. It probably benefited a few of us, and it definitely was not beneficial for a lot of us because the market was gapping everywhere. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, crude's down over 1,000 points. BTC, LTC down over 1,000 points, and personally, I don't think those two situations are related in any economic structure. There's something else going on there, I think, with the cryptos, but with the current coronavirus happening, it's an early market crash, which is insane, absolutely insane. And the markets are in some way just completely unreadable because whatever news event could come out in any minute could just totally dash any hopes and dreams for any part of the event chain because it is absolutely crazy right now. And I would suggest just staying out of the market. But if you are going to play, then just make sure you play safe. Pound NSD, this really ended up being a great trade, coming out with over 800 pips on this one. This one hit my target for 422 pips, and this one hit my target for 321 pips, which is absolutely awesome with the Pound NSD. So now I'm just going to be watching it to see how it plays out over the next couple of days, just to see if the market can actually stabilize, so we can actually, you know, play the market and play some trades, because right now it's pretty much unreadable. Let's move on to the pound yen. So pound yen market took me out at break even around this area here. So it broke through this area of daily demand, and now it has pushed down to a weekly area of demand. Also, we can see here that I have playing the event chain. We've got some friction here on the H1 chart as the market's come and pushed into this area here. It seems like that the yen pair still have more potential to go to the downside, so we're just going to have to wait and see what happens, because right now everything is just totally up in the air. So not much happening here, guys. Break even trade down into a weekly area of demand. Let's just see what happens. And here we are on the euro. Let's just quickly zoom out. Sorry about that. Euro, we had, I could see that this could have the potential to happen because we have compression leading up to this area of weekly supply, right? This area of weekly supply, we can see that it's been eaten into once, twice, and now it's gone really deep into that zone. I expected this to happen, but I just didn't expect this to happen so quickly. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. I mean, there hasn't even been a retracement back down to then play this market back to the upside. Yes, you can say that I came out too early. Well, catching 500 pips is still 500 pips nonetheless. But, I think we could potentially get this market up. I think this market could potentially turn around once it hits this area here at around 1.168, and we could probably get some move back down to this area of demand over here, and then we could potentially have an up move. Because right now this is broken, this high and this high, and if it closes above here tonight, then we could potentially be in for an uptrend from here on out. But there is going to be hella retracements and consolidations before that happens. Well, I would think so anyway. But right now, guys, best thing to do is just stay out of the market and be safe, because there is no point in just risking your money because trying to catch a rising or falling knife right now, because the markets are going absolutely crazy. Let's just zoom into this because there was something I had my eye on earlier today, but I absolutely missed it. So we've got an H1 event break here, which is holding. So what could have been a possible play is seeing this event break area over here get broken, and then another play here could have been this event area over here get broken. As you can see, we've got two areas for longs. This one would have been a nice long trade, and this one here So this event break would also have been a nice long trade. It depends if the market's actually even going up to the upside right now, but we could get another spike into that weekly area of supply just above. So, best thing to do, guys, as I said, just wait until this market stabilizes, because right now everything is crazy